students, teachers. Gaming platform or the gaming solution, which is provided to you by Atal Innovation Mission Niti Aayog, is also called as a Planet Code. That's actually the website wherein uh, not specifically ATL, but majorly ATL school students, teachers can leverage this opportunity to access, go through, learn, and create innovative games. And in order to move, especially the student community, from just game players to game designers, Niti Aayog has come up with this solution. So we'll see what is this gaming solution all about and how we can use this gaming solution. Okay, just quickly going through why there is a need for us to constantly improve our skills, especially for the student community who are very tech savvy these days. So why there is a need that students especially should enhance their knowledge when it comes to technology. So as you can see on the screen, there is a data from World Economic Forum which actually shows uh, the statistics on how the machine and human workforce or work was divided between these two. When you see in the year 2018, 71% of the work was being done by humans and then the rest 29 by machines. 2 years from now, it is projected that 58% of the work will be done by humans and 42% will be by machines. And by the year 2025, more than half, that is 52% of the work will be completely done or dependent on machines, and around 48% is projected to be done by humans. So this way, we can predict that there will be a lot of automation happening in the coming years, and there will be a need for the workforce of tomorrow to be technology ready and equipped with the skills of this technology. And also there's another data which is from the World Bank which says by 2030 40% of the existing jobs that we find today will be outdated and we cannot see such, any more jobs like that, and we'll be moving towards more technology based jobs and other aspects. These are a few statistics that how working hours were spent you know in 2016 and how or what percentage is going to be changed by the arrival of the year 2030. So 4 years before, major work was physical and manual. More than 203 billion hours were spent manually on work. But as you see, as time progresses, skills, technology skills, soft skills keep on growing, and by the year 2030, we see majorly work happening through digital world, through technology, through information technology, and through programming. And in order to be ready for that particular era, wherein most of the jobs will be technology based, there are a specific set of skills that are said to be present in the workforce of tomorrow. When I say workforce, this means the people who will be doing jobs in the future. So there's a specific set of skills that is recommended and is kind of very important when it comes to having such uh, jobs. So a few of them are like creativity, critical thinking, technology skills, communication skills, problem solving, design based thinking, programming skills. So we'll be focusing on those programming skills in our sessions on the gaming solution provided by Niti Aayog, and collaboration and computational technology or skills are a few among the skill set required for the future workforce. So how the gaming solution helps, or uh, why we need a solution like this is because one thing, if I say, there are a lot of us, not only kids, not only students, a lot of adults as well who are very excited about games. and we spend a lot of time on games like hours and hours continuously. And during this time of of this lockdown, it's a good time consuming thing that many people are idle, and they try to invest their time in some refreshing using games. So there are people who have this uh, you know attraction towards playing games. What if we hear about something that, let's not play just games, let's create games which will be developed by us according to our requirements, according to our thinking, and what we feel should be there in the game. What do you feel that if that happens? And the second question would be, what if you can learn creating games at your doorstep? There's no need to go anywhere. There's no need to pay any fees. Nothing is required. Only your interest is required for getting this skill set. And thanks to Atal Innovation Mission and Niti Aayog, with support from Dell Technologies and EarningLinks, you have been provided with a gaming solution that is called Planet Code, and which helps you to build the skills of the future by designing your own games. And this you'll be knowing by learning programming as well. So we'll see what all is offered by this gaming solution of Atal Innovation Mission. So this a few things that I would like to speak on this gaming solution is that it's a game-based learning initiative which is aligned to the Sustainable Development Goals laid down by the United Nations. So there are 3 Sustainable Development Goals which are being focused in these gaming solution. We'll see what are those, and what technologies are we learning with respect to those Sustainable Development Goals and aligned to those sustainable development goals. Also, this is an open source. As I said you earlier, there's no need for anyone to pay anything. Atal Innovation Mission has provided this to you at free of cost, and it's online. It's accessible gaming portal, and along with learning gaming, along with having fun, you can also increase your awareness about a lot of environmental aspects that's happening in today's era with alignment to UN SDGs, and it also enhances your coding and creativity skills. So there are multiple gaming options or learning options available for you all, starting from the basic games for the beginners to advanced level gaming as well, which we'll see in some time now. So as I said, this is provided by Atal Innovation Mission Niti Aayog, with support from Dell Technologies, and implemented by Learning Links Foundation. I'll just take you through the Planet Code or the gaming solution website. I hope you're able to see my screen that has this Planet Code website or the gaming solution open in it. Just reload that for you. You can access the same web portal from the Atal Innovation Mission's website. So this is the gaming solution, and whenever you log in, the URL is planetcode.in. You can also find this from the Atal Innovation Mission's web portal, AIM's web portal. Now, the interface looks something like this. We'll go through how we can sign up or register on the gaming solution, as well as how we can start learning games. But before going to that, let's navigate through the website, what all is being offered and all. As I said, it's being offered by Atal Innovation Mission and Niti Aayog with support from Dell Technologies. If I come down or scroll down in the website, so this is the register screen. You can register from here, or you can directly click on sign up. That we'll see in some time. So these are the courses that we were talking about. We'll see a little more in detail about them after the registration thing is done. These are a few games that have been developed and uploaded on the portal. So you can download them and see how these games turn out to be. Let's go to the About section. As I said, this is brought to you by Atal Innovation Mission. And in order to help create, you know, innovators of tomorrow from the school itself, AIM has come up with this gaming solution for ATL schools, but not limited to ATL schools though. It can be accessed by the other schools as well. Then we have Dell Technologies. You can read all these on the About section in the website, and then we have Learning Links Foundation. Going to the purpose of this gaming solution. So here in the purpose of this gaming solution, you can read why AIM, Niti Aayog, Dell Technologies, and Learning Links have come together to develop this portal, this solution, and how this will help students in particular grow their skills such as creativity, critical thinking, storytelling, user interface, programming, strategic thinking, and a lot more, and how these skills are very important when we see the workforce or the job roles of by the year 2030. So these are a few skills that have been taken from World Economic Forum. The top 10 skills that that a person needs to develop, which has this complex problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, people management, coordination, EI, decision making, negotiation, and also you can see how the shift has happened from the year 2015 to 2020, and you can see you can predict how these skills will be changed or replaced by the other set of skills, the technology skills, especially when we progress through this next decade by the year 2030. So you can read about that in this purpose section. Then I'll take you through how we can sign up. So one way is you can use the sign up option here. The other way is I'll bring you back to the home page. If I come here, whenever you log into planetcode.in gaming solution, just you'll find the home screen. If you are registering for the first time, just click register. Okay, so this is how your sign up page looks when you click on that. So just try let's try creating an account on the gaming solution. Let me give a username kind of climate agent Ali. So since our games provided in the solution are aligned with the UN SDGs. I mean, the game design that is taught in the solution are aligned with the UN Sustainable Development Goals. So I have given like climate agent. I'll just put in my details. Email ID. So it's not mandatory. Just to let you know that even if you don't have a email ID, you can still sign up for the gaming solution thanks to Atal Innovation Mission. That they have not kept this mandatory to have an email ID, but if you have one, that will definitely help you out in the future in order to retrieve the password or in order to reset the password if you have forgot that. So I'll leave this for now. I'll give my Gmail password. So try keeping a password, as you all know, a strong password. It should be at least 8 letters. So let me create a password here. Okay. Keep some password which you can remember very easily. Okay. So date of birth. We request you all to give your correct date of birth while registering, because in case if you have not provided your email ID, then your date of birth will act as a proof to verify your identity and to reset the password. So let us give me a date of birth. Be assured that this data will be kept in the servers and this will not be shared with any third party. Understanding how and what is the user base. Give your gender, your country, the school name. Try giving a complete school name. For example, I give my school name. Okay. And click on sign up. There's some issue. Okay, so may not give spaces.
Fingers you break, that because of you make. If 1,000 of balls gold, it's the love.
Let me add this. At times there's some issue with the spaces thing. Email or my account was already registered. So let me give my name. So it's already saved my browser. Let's click on this. So as soon as you complete your registration, if you have given your email ID, there will be a welcome email sent to your official email ID or the email ID that you have provided. You can have a look at that. And here comes the login screen as soon as you create your account. Let me try logging in. Okay, done. Thank you for patiently waiting till my account got registered and logged in. So whenever your account gets registered and you log in for the first time, you see your page, or whenever you log in, you see this kind of a page wherein you see your name mentioned on the portal that you have given while registration. You see the edit profile section, you see the project upload section. So I'll quickly take you through what is there in the edit profile section. So my name is already mentioned as I have given during registration. Then I have my email ID, my date of birth, gender, country. And here there are two questions or two statements. So this says my ambition is to become, I'll write a game designer. Then there's another question. I love gaming because it kind of energizes me. You can write whatever you feel. And leave the other section empty, and if you click submit, your fields will get saved. One more thing that I'd like to tell you that you need to be careful about is while registration, uh, in a school name, don't give spaces or special characters like dot, apostrophe, or anything like that. Just give a plain names, and that way your school will be registered. Try giving your complete school name so that we are aware that what all schools are accessing the gaming solution for learning gaming.
Recording
So
is
click
on.
on submit. My details will be recorded. There's also an option of changing your password from the web portal or the gaming solution itself. As you can see beside your username. Okay. So once your update is successful, on the top right hand corner of your screen, you will see if your update was successful. You might have seen just now. I'm again going into my edit profile section. Then we'll have a quick look at the reset password option available in that, and then we'll go to the other portions available on the gaming solution. Okay.
Check.
All fields are updated now. Let's try this thing, and remember one thing, once you have given a username, try remembering it, try having a simple yet a, a, a catchy and an innovative name so that it distinguishes you. However, you cannot change the name once you have registered, so be careful and remember what username you have given while signing up. Okay, if you click on change password, you will be given these two fields wherein you will be asked about your old password and the new password that you would like to set up. I'll try changing it. I'll leave the rest of the fields as it is. I'll click submit. I'll wait for the data to be updated on the gaming solution.
Okay.
Again, while this happens, let me iterate. While you are entering your school name, please do not use any special characters or spaces and try with a plain school name. Also try using your complete school name. One more thing that you need to be aware of is what date of birth you give, because in case if you're not logged in and you have forgot your password and you have not provided your email address, then your date of birth will be the proof of verification that this account belongs to you. Be aware that you need to give the date of birth that is exact or that you remember. Let's wait for a few more seconds this to be updated. and then we'll go through the options available on the web portal. Okay, so you can see success profile updated. Now, for your information, this is a section, the project upload, where you can upload your games that you developed after learning from the gaming solution. But however, it's not live now, but you can continue learning games. And once this is live after a few days, then you can start uploading your games so that the best games or your uploaded games will be featured on the gaming solution. If you can see, these are the 3 batches that are available on your screen right now: the bronze, the silver, and the gold. So in order to encourage and in order to specify levels of what a user has been in the gaming solution, there are 3 levels or 3 badges assigned. So these are related to the 3 gaming courses or the platforms that you will be learning from the gaming solution. So if you can see, there are 3 gaming technologies or platforms that you will be able to learn from the gaming solution. The first being Scratch, which is the beginner level. The second is Construct, the intermediate, and Unity is the advanced level gaming that you will be learning through this gaming solution. And we'll go through the beginner level game, how to see, how to watch, and what all are available from the beginner level. As soon as you complete each course, the subsequent badge will get released. Now you might be able to see the badges in gray color, but once you have cleared, say for example, you have completed all the levels in the Scratch program and you have now become comfortable with developing games using Scratch platform, you can see that this has become white. That means you have earned that particular badge. Let me quickly take you through the other options available on the website before going to Scratch. As you can see, one of the very helpful things for a user on the gaming solution is the contact us page. In case if you have any queries, in case if you forgot your password or forgot your username for an instance, and if you would like to request for a reset, password reset, or asking your name, so you can go through the contact us page. Okay, here you can fill in your details, your name, your email. For example, I'll fill this as a sample for you. Okay, address, you can put in your school name. Okay, in the address, you can give your school address, and then what's your query. Say for example, I request for helping me my account password. In case I forgot my password and I'm unable to reset, you can do this. Can reach out to you with the appropriate support. So once your query has been registered, at least give us 2 to 3 days for us to get back to you with the solution. Then we have some terms of use which you can go. So these are the terms of use that you can go through. What are the user responsibilities and other information. And the other policies like the privacy policy, the cookies policy. Let me take you through the FAQs. There are a few frequently asked questions that users might have when accessing the gaming solution for the first time. So just click here and you can see the answers to those particular questions. How I can log in if I forgot my password. You can reset it with your username and, as I said, you the date of birth for verification. So give accurate date of birth. How you can change the password. So as you have already seen from the web portal, you can change from the profile section, the dashboard. If you have forgot your user ID, you can request it from the contact us page which we have seen just now. And how can I start a course? That we'll see in a few moments. An important question, are the courses free? Yes. Atal Innovation Mission and Niti Aayog has provided these solution at free of cost, so you need not pay anything. Okay, so we have seen the basic layout of the gaming solution web portal, and these are the social media handles of Atal Innovation Mission, Dell Technologies, and Learning Wings. I hope this is clear. Anyone?
No.
Okay, so if you have any, we'll be having a separate section at the end. So that we can just get into the question answer session by the end of the session. Also, if you have any such questions, you can put it in the chat box so that our moderators can have a look and we can answer a few specific and important questions by the end of the session. Now let's go through the courses. On the top of your web portal, click on courses. I request users to mute so that there's no background disturbances for the other participants of the webinar. Okay. So these are the courses that are being provided by Atal Innovation Mission and Dell Technologies. There are 3 courses as we saw on the profile page: the beginners, the intermediate, and the advanced course. What we also saw initially was these courses was aligned, or the flow of these courses was aligned with some or the other sustainable development goals that were laid down by the United Nations. So while learning Scratch, this is aligned with the SDG 13, which is climate action. We'll see what is that. While learning the intermediate, that's aligned with the good health and well-being sustainable development goal. And finally, life on land, which is SDG 15, aligned with the Unity course. You can also see a quick description of each course that is being provided. Let me click on Scratch. Many of you might have heard about Scratch already. If not, we'll see what is Scratch and how we can learn designing our own games and animations and innovative projects using Scratch. Whenever we hear the word programming, we see a lot of, we imagine that it will be a bunch of lines, a bunch of code that will be there. However, MIT has come up with this Scratch platform wherein users can learn programming by simple drag and drop procedure, and it's very easy to use, very user friendly. You can use it both online and offline, that we'll see. So here we are, and while this page was getting loaded, I was going through a few comments that the participants are making. So there's a description of what is Scratch, how you can learn using Scratch, and very happy to see that one of our students has already completed 2 games using Scratch. So congratulations to you. So Scratch is a drag and drop kind of programming that is very simple and easier to use, especially appeals to students, but not limited to their use. Even adults are using Scratch to develop very imaginative and informative games, and innovative as well. If you want to go through what is Scratch, you can click in here. You can go to the
Sir,
Scratch website. Yes, ma.
I'm not understanding.
You are not understanding. What is that you are not understanding?
Wait, sir.
Sorry?
सर आप स्क्रैच का बता रहे
Yes, I'm showing the users how they can download the Scratch desktop app, and how they can begin learning from the gaming solution. Okay,
ओके सर
thank you. If you have any such
Hello?
questions, make a note
Hello,
of that.
sir.
We'll discuss that by the end of the session.
Hello. Hello. Hello, sir.
Okay, so you can, yes,
Recently, there was a session like they had explained how to install the Scratch and how to use that game. Some tutorials to see. Is this a continuation of that, or it's again from the beginning?
so ma'am, basically this session is to create awareness on what is the gaming solution provided by AIM and Niti Aayog, and there might not be a lot of users who are already familiar with the gaming solution Planet Code, or how what is Scratch, how they can go through learning Scratch from the portal. So it might include what you have already learned in the earlier session, but it also has some other factors as well.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. I request other users to mute your mics. Thank you. Okay, so there's a website, and the Scratch is again free of cost. You need not pay anything, any monthly fees and all. Just click on this thing. If you are able to see on my screen, below the beginner's course, the second para, if you click on this, you will be navigated to the Scratch website, from where you can download the Scratch desktop software. Okay, so this is a Scratch website, a very user-friendly, very good website.
Sir?
So you can go through this as well when you are starting.
सर
Yes,
टेम्ब्रिज की कोई भी नहीं है सर स्टूडेंट्स
I'm not sure what all who all students have joined. So you need to check in the chat box if you have your friends from your school.
टेम्ब्रिज की कोई भी नहीं है सर टेम्ब्रिज
I'm not sure what all participants are here.
ओके
So I've not gone through the participants list as of now.
No, it doesn't
They are
matter
not
if you all are there. You can just listen to the session. Hello?
हेलो
Yes.
Yeah, you
Hello?
can just listen to the session what sir is telling. Not required to know who and all are
सर
there.
So from the support section, here you can go to download.
Oh. Maharaj, are you there?
यस
Oh.
I request the moderators to mute the user's mic, please. Okay, so there are different platforms or operating systems wherein for which you can download the Scratch desktop application or the Scratch editor. The first being the very popular Windows. So they have provided it for Windows 10, Mac OS. And please be aware that this is the latest edition of Scratch, that is Scratch 3.0. So you might also find the other Scratch versions, the earlier versions when you do a Google search. So this is the latest version. If you have an Apple computer, you can download the Mac. Have a Chromebook, you can download the Chrome OS.
Sir,
Or
your
if you
voice
have
is
a
not clear. Sir, your voice is not clear.
okay, is it clear now?
No.
No?
Y-
Just hold on. Is it the same with all the users?
Sir, voice is not clear.
No, sir.
Voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear.
Yeah, not
Okay,
clear.
all the users are.
It is clear.
It
It
is
is
clear,
clear.
sir.
Okay.
Yeah, it is clear.
Okay.
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
Thank you so much for the confirmation, teachers and students. For the participants who are unable to hear it clearly, I request to move a little from the particular location that you are currently at. Maybe due to some network issues, you are unable to hear that. So I'll resume my session. Yeah. So I hope you are able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm
Yes,
using a
sir, very
Windows
clear.
computer, so I'll go to this.
Sir?
In case if you are using the other operating system, you can go for the other versions. Okay, so here you can see you need not go to Google to search the other softwares, the other versions. So we
Excuse me,
have
sir.
Scratch 2.0. Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in Scratch, we are making games now. So by
Mm-hmm.
making the games, can we add old games to new ideas so we can create a new one?
You can do that. You can definitely try that. We'll get into that by the end of this session. So I have to show how if since you are aware of Scratch, for the new users who are going through the solution for the first time, I'll just show them, and then by the end of the session, we'll continue the question answer session. So if you have a game, just to answer your question, if you have a game which was already developed in Scratch, you can take that game and you can enhance that game. That is always possible.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So I'll click on direct download. So the software gets downloaded on my machine. So I'll stop this. Here you can see. Okay, I'll cancel that. So once the download is completed, you can click and you can install that as any other software that we install on a computer. And coming back to the portal. Yes. So this is a course. As you can see, there are
Videos.
5 videos that you are seeing on your screen right now. The first being the normal one, which is in white, and the other are in gray. If you can see, if I bring my cursor on the first video, it changes. However, the mouse pointer does not change when I bring it on the other videos. And nothing happens when I click on these videos. So there are many videos
Yes, sir.
in the beginner course. So you have to see them or watch them one by one to advance to the next levels. So I'll click on the first video. The page is loading. I hope you are able to see that.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, you will be seeing the video page in a few moments from now. Okay. So I guess you are able to see this now.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
actually,
Yes, sir.
whenever we'll click
Yes,
those
sir.
videos now, please select the video from the watch the videos in sequence means what we have to do.
Okay,
What
that's what
option we have
we
to
are
choose.
going to see now. And thank you for the question. I hope even others who had the question, let's thank the student for his question. And see, whenever you click on the video, the thing is the video will not start automatically. That's why you may get a little confused that there's no video. What you can do is you can see the list of videos or the list of projects available in this particular uh, course, the beginner course. If you can see, there's a leftward arrow over here. If I click on
Yes.
this, I can increase the screen size for viewing my video. I can click again on this button on the top and I can come back to the list of the videos. So if you can see, the back button is there in order to go back to the course in the web page. Then we have the beginner course, which is Scratch, learning gaming through Scratch. Then we have the course introduction. I'll play this for you. Remember, whenever you want to play a video, you need to click on this left side pane. Once you click on this, the video starts getting played on the side where you are able to see currently. Please select the video from the course section to play. And the next line, that is watch the videos in sequence to unlock the next video. That means you have to watch a video completely in order to go to the next video. This is like a level wise approach. You clear
Your
one
voice
level
is not clear.
and
Oh.
I was
Excuse me,
telling
sir.
that yes,
In Scratch, can we create animated games?
yes. So
Yes.
if you go
In
through Scratch
video,
after
they
the session
showed
is
me.
completed, you can always try. You can see how you can create animation games using Scratch. But remember, these are simple games. Like when we used to play games in our childhood, when we were of your age, we used to have simple games like Mario, Super Mario, and Contra, some normal games. So that kind of a games you can easily develop using Scratch. However, if you are thinking of games something like which are very popular today, somewhat similar to Pokemon Go or
Yeah.
PUBG or
Yeah, like
something like
PUBG
that.
and this Free
Sorry.
Fire.
So games like those you can develop it in the advanced section, wherein you will be learning gamifying or
Third
game
section.
design in the Unity section using Unity. This is as you go on with the increase in complexity level, the beautification or the graphics of the games increases. So with Scratch you can develop simple games. So now I'll play first game. If you are able to see, I'm clicking on the first game. Before that, If I click on platform introduction, if you see here, I hope you are able to see getting started with Scratch. There is a lock button over here. That means this video is locked, or this session is locked until and unless I complete the first section. You cannot move in. This is a very nice way when you learn step by step and you increase the levels as you go on proceeding in the course. I click on this about game development. You might be able to see the screen now. Reduce the
Yeah,
quality to improve.
introduction to the course.
Yes. Let's make it
Yes,
okay. Yeah. So I can make it in a theater mode or a full screen mode, whatever I feel. Okay, this is a full screen mode now. I hope everyone is able to see. I'll be
Yeah.
playing the first video, the
Yes,
introduction to
sir.
the course.
Yeah.
Just go through this video.
Excuse me, sir. Before you play the video, I have a doubt.
What? Please tell.
Sir, which are the present games like PUBG, Free Fire, whatever new games which has created? So in that we can do some variation through this.
Okay. So I'm noting down your question. For the other audience, I'll be playing this video, and by the end of the session, I'll answer this question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,
Let the video complete.
sir,
Yes.
I saw this video.
Yeah, yeah. This is for others as well who are going through the platform for the first time.
Okay.
Sir, I too saw this video.
Sir, I can't able to hear.
Yes, sir. The audio is not coming, I think so.
So let me get back to the explanation part. Now you have seen the video. If you see, once you have completed the video, you will be. I request users to please mute your mic because there's some disturbance.
About game development.
Yes. So this was the video that we have seen just now, and once you have completed that video, that a green check mark comes on the left of that game or the video, indicating that you have completed that particular video. In case if you want to get a documented view of what was said in the video, like some said they were unable to hear, or in the further sections as well, there is a download section if you see just beside about game development. If I keep my cursor here, it says download video description. So if I click on that, if I click here, the video description gets downloaded as a PDF file and I can view that anytime whenever I want. Also, once I have completed a video, I'll go to the next section and you can see this is the next video getting started with Scratch. So if I click on this video, okay, so I've clicked twice there. If you can see on the bottom of my screen, the document started downloading. So this way it gets downloaded and you can go through the document whenever you want. This is the second video. As we went through Scratch Portal, I'll not be playing this video. So this video shows how and what Scratch is actually in a 2.5-minute video, and how we can download Scratch. And just for information, you can use online Scratch if you have a good network connectivity at your place, and if you're using a computer, you can go through Scratch online, or you can always download the Scratch offline editor, as you have seen a few minutes ago. And once you have cleared this thing, we'll be having quizzes. So remember, at many points in the courses, you will be having quizzes with a few, like 5 questions in each quiz, which you need to answer. So as it is mandatory to watch the video to go to the next level, it is also mandatory to go through the quiz to go to the next section. So in order to go to the climate action, so that's the beginning of the course wherein we learn about sustainable development goal, climate change. I will clear the quiz, which is there in the second section. So remember, we go step by step. We clear each quiz, we watch the next video. Then if there is a quiz, we clear the quiz, and then we go on with the subsequent videos to continue our learning process. I hope this is clear.
No, sir.
What is not clear?
Sir, from starting onwards, I didn't understood.
Starting onwards of this video thing?
Yes.
Okay.
Platform
So remember,
introduction. From platform introduction.
okay, so even if you have not understood, maybe there was some network issues as well initially. So once you start taking the course, like I've shown you, you have seen that you can come into the video section and you can play one by one videos. So this gives you the overview of what is you are going to learn from this gaming solution Planet Code, and what will you learn or what is Scratch. Then you can go through the next. If you are able to see on the left side of your screen, you can go through what is climate change, and then starts your projects, that is what is wildfires, and there's a awareness thing before you start learning on this. Yes,
Sir, what we have to do in platform introduction?
you just have to watch. This is for your information.
Okay. And next, climate.
Oh, this platform introduction. Okay, this is, I'm sorry, I missed that. I thought you were asking about the gaming solution platform. Here you learn about Scratch, like we have went to the Scratch website and we have downloaded. This is a short introduction on the Scratch platform basically. And there's a small quiz on Scratch, like is it online, offline? And I urge all the users to download, to register on the uh,
Yeah, madam.
Recording is on.
okay. And then you have the climate action, how climate is getting affected year after year.
Paper.
And you have the project, that what you can learn is, I'll just give you a quick brief that once you come to this level after watching the videos and after clearing the quiz, there are step-by-step tutorials on how you can design your own simple games. So you can watch a video and simultaneously you can pause it. You can go to your Scratch editor on your computer and you can continue doing the same thing. You can come back to the website, web portal. You can watch the video again, continue it, and replicate the same in your Scratch desktop application. So you can do that, and that's the beauty of this gaming solution, that you can practice while you are learning.
Excuse me, sir, the screen is not able to see.
Yes, sir.
We are not able to see the screen, sir. The voice is not clear, sir.
Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are basically four projects that you have to complete in uh, in the beginner course. The one is the Dow's Wildfire game or the programming of that. Then the other is the saving of wild animals, and likewise the other two. And finally, on the last stage, there is a capstone project wherein you will be given a problem statement and you will be asked to develop your own game. So, as in the Dow's Wildfire project, if I brief you now, you have to code an aeroplane, fire, and so whenever water sprinkles, that fire gets doused or extinguished. Here in the initial four projects, you will be shown how to develop your own games by a step-by-step tutorial. In the capstone project, you will be asked to develop a project based on a particular set of instructions or a problem statement. And once you do that, you can submit that on gaming solution web portal as you have seen. That will be hosted or shown on the website. I have moderators with me. Hello. One second. Some, yes, there's a lot of from the participants
Sir, your sound clear.
dashboard. Yes, ma'am.
सर
Yes.
ये क्लाइमेट का एक बार एक्सप्लेन करिए ना सर.
Okay. So basically, when the games were or the gaming tutorials were getting designed on the gaming solution, जब ये लोग बना रहे थे, so what we have done is, in order to make it interesting as well as in order to create awareness among the users, especially the students में awareness create करने के लिए हर एक जो प्लेटफॉर्म है जैसे स्क्रैच है बिगिनर लेवल में, we have construct in the intermediate and then we have the यूनिटी सॉफ्टवेयर इन द एडवांस लेवल. तो हर एक में यूनाइटेड नेशन के जो सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स है, लाइक in order to save our earth or in order to protect our environment, what all we need to do, wo, while you are creating games and while you are learning how to create games, you will get awareness on that also. So when you are learning Scratch, you will go through the climate action sustainable development goal. So I urge you please register on the website and see the third video, which I could not show you now due to time constraints. So if you see that, you will understand how you will get more awareness while you also learn gaming. So here you have intermediate construct, if you are able to see on my screen, which is the intermediate level gaming solution or gaming platform,
Yes sir.
wherein you can generate or create more games. If I click on this, I'll just show you quickly what all is there. Remember, for now, as of now, Scratch platform or the courses on Scratch are live on the Planet Code gaming solution. However, if you want to learn Construct and Unity, give us some time and definitely we'll get back to you with the courses live on the Planet Code solution.
Sir,
Yes.
excuse me. Scratch is over.
No, Scratch is not over. This is just I'm taking you all through a few other game development platforms that are available on the gaming solution. Once you have completed Scratch, you can go to the intermediate level. As you can see, it shows stay tuned for videos. This means for Construct, you can again develop games are a little higher end or like 2D games.
Sir, voice is breaking.
Okay, is
Sir,
it
it's
clear
not
now?
clear.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. So when you complete Scratch, basic and part
Sir, can you
Scratch
leave?
programming, I request users to please mute. Okay, thank you. So you can develop or learn to develop 2D games using Construct. It is a little difficult than Scratch. So once you complete the Scratch Planet Code website, then you can confidence and you will be able to uh, take the intermediate course using Construct. And once you are done with this, then we have the final gaming platform available in the gaming solution, that is designing games by learning Unity. So you can learn Unity games, Unity projects development using the
Sir,
third or the advanced level of the gaming platform.
sir,
Yes,
you're showing construct now.
I was showing you what is there in Construct. So you can develop simple 2D games using Construct. We'll not go through Construct because it is not live now. Once it is
Uh,
live, we'll keep another session for you like this, wherein we'll show you how you can go through Construct, how you can download the Construct software, and other things in Construct. Similar way, we have the final, the advanced level, which is uh, the most uh, challenging of all the three platforms available on the gaming solution. So with this,
okay.
you can create very high-end games. Like one of the students asked, I'll take the question now, that about PUBG or FIFA or Temple
Sir,
Run
it's
or
breaking.
Pokemon Go. Sorry, am I audible now with a clear
Yes.
voice? Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
So when you hear about the games like PUBG or Pokemon Go or similar AR VR apps, that can be easily developed, or you can use Unity to develop those games. So that's
Sir,
a challenging part. So that's
sir,
kept as the advanced level of games. Yes, ma.
in construct, how we make
How? I
games?
didn't get the question.
In construct, how we make the games?
Yes. So for now, we have shown you how you
Sir,
can
is
go
it
through
coding
Scratch.
while doing construct?
You will come to know about that, because there's a lot of things happening in Construct and Unity. It is not as simple as you see Scratch if you have already done Scratch. So uh, you can wait for some more time, because the Construct and Unity tutorials are under development. It's almost at the verge of completion. So in a few days time, you will be able to see the Construct uh, tutorials on the web portal, and you can access the gaming solution to learn how you can design your own games using Construct. For now, we are not watching Construct or Unity development. We'll be seeing in the next session once we get the tutorials live on the gaming solution.
In
Is it clear?
construct, sir, sir,
Yes. I guess we have
construct
covered
में
almost.
con- टीचर सर कौन से गेम्स बना सकते हैं सर कंस्ट्रक्ट में?
Okay, so initially we heard about, I don't know if you are aware, uh, like 2D games जैसे रहते हैं ना,
हाँ.
उसमें ज़्यादा 3D नहीं रहता, तो similar games can be developed in Construct, लेकिन ये थोड़ा स्क्रैच के हाई एंड के गेम्स रहते हैं, इसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा आपको प्रैक्टिस होना पड़ता गेम्स डेवलप करने के लिए. So we have seen what is
कंस्ट्रक्ट में
Planet
सर.
Code. Yeah, we have seen the gaming solution Planet Code and how you can register, how we can download the Scratch software from its website, and how we can watch the tutorials, videos, and take the quizzes, and then get to the final project, which will be based on a problem statement. And you will be asked to develop a game or a project using Scratch, and you will be asked to upload that on the gaming platform once we open the application in the platform. Okay, so if we have any questions, we can take the a quick few questions now. Question which I'll answer to now. One of the students asked in between, like, can I take the existing games like PUBG or FIFA and change them accordingly in Scratch? No, they are highly games you cannot take and just modify. However, as I said earlier, if you have a particular game which you already developed in Scratch, and if you want to make changes in that particular game, you can download that game, or if you can use that game and make changes accordingly in Scratch. That
Sir,
you can always do.
sir, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I'm doing my projects online,
Good to hear that.
but I can download or open it after I shut down my lab.
Okay, so what I'm understanding is you are doing your projects online, and if you are using a computer, I suggest you can also download the Scratch software as I showed you during the tutorial now. You can go to the
Once I
Scratch
download it,
option in the. I didn't get.
once I
What was that?
download that after open it, there is completely black screen on my desktop, and any other thing is there. Only complete black came to my desktop.
Okay, so there might be some compatibility issue for that. Due to that, might be your screen is becoming completely black. So if that is the case, if you are facing that regularly, we have a very good option in Scratch, that is Scratch Online. I guess you are already using that. So you can go to the website, you can create your account on the Scratch
Account on the
website,
Scratch website,
and you
and
can
you can
start developing your games there. What I suggest you is, I guess it was Sonia who asked this question. Use the contact us page on the Planet Code website, and give your query with your email ID and all, and what version of Windows you are using, and other
and
details like your RAM and your ROM. Hopefully, the Planet Code team, the gaming solution team, will get back to you
get
with
back to you.
that we.
So over.
Yeah, we are taking the question answer session now. If you have any such questions, you can please ask. Okay, I'll quickly go through the chat section. Okay, there's a question that can we create remix games, old version into a new version? So you can try that. I'm not sure because it depends on the gaming skills as well. But definitely, for that I ask you to, I request you to go through the complete tutorials in the beginner course using Scratch. And once you get a good hand on using Scratch and different blocks in Scratch, then you can go ahead with taking the existing games or creating some innovative new games.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions? Meanwhile, I'll go through this. So we have a few experts as well who have answered a few questions in the comment section. So you can go through that as well. Okay. There's a question on can we create on coronavirus very widely spreading across the world. So yes, you can definitely do that, and I insist you make games like that. Like many people have already, many students who are accessing the gaming solution have started creating such games. And if you use Facebook or Twitter, I request you put the games on, create a short video of how your game works, and put it there. I also request all the users to tag Atal Innovation Mission, NITI Aayog, Dell Technologies, Learning Links Foundation, India, when they are posting it, so that we can also have a look at your particular games that you have developed. Okay, so
Sir, I have a query.
please, whenever you are uploading your games on social media platforms, please tag in NITI Aayog, Dell Technologies India, and Learning Links Foundation India. We can take those games, and uh, that can be used as awareness and motivation for other students to scratch, so that they can also speed up their thing. I thank you all whoever have participated and patiently been with us during this session. Uh, and I sincerely apologize once again due to the technical issue that happened for around like 5 minutes during the session.
Okay, sir.
But I hope you will all start creating your games, and keep us posted. And once uh, the game upload section on the gaming solution is live, from your profile section, you can also, from your dashboard, you can upload your games there as well. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone. This is everyone on behalf of AIM, NITI Aayog, Dell Technologies, and Learning Links Foundation. We thank you all, and hope to see you soon. Hope to see a lot of games that comes up, and we encourage the teachers who have joined to spread the word among your students, so that they also get to learn how to use Scratch, and then they can develop their own games. So thank you so much. Stay safe, and this is Asad Ali signing off. Have a nice day.